Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Quilting on a Budget with Janice. Yes, hi, I'm Janice. Yes, I know, it's another quilting channel, but we never get enough, do we? All us quilters, we just love, we dream, we sleep quilts. Never get enough. It's always nice to see what other ones are doing and learn a little thing here and there, because you don't know everything. I want to talk about how my channel is going to go. It's going to be all about, if your desire is to quilt, you'll be able to quilt. You don't need tons of money. You don't need credit cards to order fabrics online, $30 a yard. I don't do that, but I still make beautiful quilts. You still can make a quilt with what you have. I've done everything. I've used all different types of fabrics, but I always make sure the fabrics are at least the same consistency and weight, because if it's thinner than others, that thinner fabric's going to wear out sooner. We don't want that. So you've got to make sure the weight is close to the same throughout the whole quilt. But anyways, I want to talk about a hexi quilt that I want to work with you guys on, and it's right over here on my homemade designer wall. Thank you very much. I use this app. I downloaded a Indian pattern in my phone. Then I uploaded a app that was meant for cross stitching, but you can use it for hexes. I bet you didn't know that. And so I uploaded this picture into this app, and it scrambled it all up, and it got me what I wanted. And I began to put it together. I haven't sewn it. I just pinned it on the wall just to make sure I have all the colors in the right spots. So when I do sew it all together, I get that great design that I'm looking for. We don't want no mess ups. But anyway, my first video will be talking about piecing this here and how I go about it, which I won't be doing one by one. I'll be doing row by row. It's a little faster. And I do this flat back stitch. That way on the front, you won't see the stitches. So it doesn't matter what color thread you use. As long as you take those little bites as you're sewing, you won't see it on the front. But anyways, I hope to see you then. Wednesday will be my first video, and I'll be enjoying it. See you then.